Seeing the error message, "Set user settings to driver failed," every time you log into Windows can be frustrating. In today's guide, I'll walk you through fixes that will completely solve this problem. First, let's stop Windows from trying to launch broken startup drivers. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Switch to the Startup tab. Look for entries like Realtek HD Audio Manager, MSI Audio, Evolute, or anything with audio or device drivers. Right-click them and choose Disable. This prevents Windows from calling a failed driver at startup. Now restart your PC. If the error no longer shows up, you've blocked the faulty service. If disabling startup items didn't fix it, we'll go deeper. We'll clean the registry and reinstall your drivers cleanly. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Look for any entries related to Realtek, Evolute, or unknown audio managers. Right-click and delete them. Now open Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and selecting it. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click Realtek Audio, Intel Smart Sound, or your main audio driver, and select Uninstall Device. Make sure to check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device. Restart your PC. Your audio will temporarily stop working. That's expected. Now go to your motherboard or laptop, manufacturer's website, download the latest chipset drivers first, then the latest audio drivers and install them manually. Avoid using Windows Update, as it often reinstalls older drivers.